Hey guys, welcome back to Nature's Cadence Farm. We're here at the trailer today at the farm, and we're actually going to be putting down some subflooring. So I've got some 3/4 inch OSB subfloor single layer rated plywood, and it's tongue and groove, so it makes a nice joint there between the two of them. So we're going to use some liquid nails underneath of it. My dad recommended using that, so that's what I'm going to use. And so yeah, we're just going to do the work and kind of show you more than talking, because of the saws and the drills and all the noise that's going to be involved. So we'll try to show you what we're doing. So let's get started. Well guys, we got the water heater in place. That was a big step, because the whole subfloor and all the floor joists underneath were completely rotten out. So we replaced those and put new subflooring in. So you can see we got our new subflooring in. It turned out really nice. We used a 3/4 inch tongue and groove OSB oriented strand board, and replaced everything in the bathroom and the laundry room. So yeah, it went great. It's a little warm today. I think we're gonna bring an air conditioner with us next time, because we don't have central air in here. But anyways guys, thank you so much for watching, and we'll have more of this soon. See you next time.